Welcome to the channel. On this subject, I wanted to briefly touch upon the batteries and what they cost and recycling and what Tesla use. So Tesla use lithium-ion batteries. Cost, first of all, in a Model Y, there's 4 modules what make the whole lithium-ion battery. Between £5,000 and £7,000 per module to buy brand new. You can buy a second hand, but they don't come with guarantees on eBay, etc. I've looked, as far as I can tell. There may be other companies doing them or might offer a warranty. I haven't seen those companies, just on eBay I've seen them. Warranty battery life is guaranteed 8 years or 100 to 150,000 miles. But the life expectancy of a Tesla or Tesla say between 300 and 500,000 miles. So, but your mileage on your battery does go down. It won't charge to or 100%. It'll charge 100%, but it won't do that for mileage. So you might lose some mileage over the years. But you know, all like engines, you lose their brake horsepower, don't they? So it's just power loss, really. Lithium-ion batteries aren't the ones that hold the most power. They're not the most powerful batteries. But as far as I can tell, when I've Googled this and done some reading, lithium-ion battery applications such as lithium, nickel, cobalt, of the value beyond the battery life, and so they're recycled in recycled facilities, and those materials are used again. But lithium-ion batteries aren't the most powerful of batteries, but they are the most environmental friendly to produce, and 50% they say of the environmental impact is on production of that lithium-ion battery. Then the other 50% is in its lifetime and probably when it's recycled again in some way. I hope this video helps you and to understand batteries, and I say, please don't attack me verbally. I'm not an expert. I've done some reading, I've done some Googling, and this is what I've come up with. Hope that helps to understand lithium-ion batteries, and maybe one day you'll buy a Tesla or an EV and be happy with it. As far as charge points, everybody says, oh, I get ripped off, I get paid too much charge points. I did Google that, and it's between 35 and 45p at the moment for Tesla chargers, superchargers in the UK. Any comments on that? Anybody know it's more than that? Other chargers, the problem with those is they're owned by private companies, and of course you may know as well that you as an individual, you can buy shares in a charger, so it's going to earn money, and so therefore that charge is going to be charging more per kilowatt hour to make you money, to pay you back the money you put into it, obviously. But that's probably why Tesla is one of the most popular EV brands in the world, and actually produces the best-selling car in the world, what is the Model Y. In other countries, it's just so much popular than it is here in the UK. Although it's still growing in popularity in the UK, you've only got to look on the Tesla website and see there's only a few cars available. And Auto Trader, yesterday I looked, I think there was 19 Model Ys available to buy, because people buy them and they just don't sell them again. They keep them. But you may have a different opinion, and I welcome your comments. Thank you for watching this video, and safe driving, everybody. Till the next video. See you next time.